It is sheer propaganda by the Pakistani state and Pakistani military to accuse Mr. Yadav of being involved in espionage and other illegal activities in Balochistan. In fact, he was abducted by the Pakistani secret agencies from Iran, and then he was brought in Pakistan and he was made to confess in custody that he was backing the Baloch freedom struggle and that he was tasked to support Baloch freedom activists. We believe that India should do whatever it takes to secure the lives of its citizens, but at the same time we believe that the support for Baloch freedom struggle should not be conditioned to a particular incident such as the case of Mr. Yadav. And we believe that it should be a clear policy of the Indian state to support the Baloch freedom movement and to support the efforts to highlight the human rights abuses that are taking place in Balochistan that are committed by the Pakistani security forces on a daily basis.